Image text Charitable Beyonce lent her voice to hurricane relief efforts by featuring on a remix of J Balvin and Willie Williams' new song Mi Gente. The 36-year-old powerhouse sings on the Spanish track, with proceeds made from the single going to hurricane relief efforts for those recovering from Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. Beyonce, who hasn't released any new music since the birth of twins Sir Carter and Rumi in June, said in a statement, "I am donating my proceeds from the song to hurricane relief charities for Puerto Rico, Mexico, and the other affected Caribbean islands." While the lyrics Beyonce sings are in Spanish, they translate as "With mine, everyone moves. I have the party in my jeans. I am the queen of the children. My people do not stop. Nobody here wants to go. If the rhythm is in your head, now let go and move your feet. I love it when the bass sounds. We started to level up." After revealing news of the track, Beyonce shared a video of herself dancing along to the tune. The single is the latest effort from Beyonce, who has been supporting hurricane victims through her Bay Good Foundation. She also took part in the Hand in Hand A benefit for hurricane relief telethon on earlier this month, sending a pre-recorded message in which she shared her heartache at the devastation caused in Texas. Listen to the track below. The Voice is celebrating its 35th birthday this year. Share your voice memories, comments and birthday wishes on social media using the following hashtag #VOICE35 years. Read every story in our hard copy newspaper for free by downloading the app. Posted on 29,092,017 11:24 a.m.